Hey cooks, we're back in gold. Today we have another Easter egg dyeing kit review to do. This one is the 24 karat gold coloring kit. Not too bad. It comes with the golden glaze and a nice looking egg holder for you. All you have to do is pour the golden glaze in one of the trays and start to brush away. As I was reading the instructions, it may take a layer or two to get a nice glaze on the egg. So in between brushing your egg, it might take about 5 minutes to dry, and then you might have to flip the egg over to get the other side. There we go, a golden glaze. Now, if you want to color golden glaze, all you gotta do is get your dye and add it to your golden glaze. Remember to mix it for a while so you get a nice even coat. If you get too much on there, you can use a paper towel to wipe some of it off. And there you go, a blue glaze for you. Not too bad, and thank you for watching. I'll leave an affiliate link below in case you're interested in anything I reviewed today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!